Welcome to the demo of the new Stock Rewards checking account, all under OMB's umbrella. As you can see, we're currently on the main dashboard of our Banno online banking. The messages here indicate that we've earned some new stock rewards. These rewards can be viewed in the Bits of Stock Rewards overview widget, but let's delve a bit deeper into these rewards. By navigating to the left and clicking on Bits of Stock Rewards, we enter our Rewards module. Before entering this module, a pop-up appears explaining that we're transitioning from an FDIC-insured program to an SIPC-insured environment. By clicking on Continue to My Account, we land in the Stock Rewards module. Here we can see the percentage back that we earn on every transaction, along with the ticker and the total amount we've earned over time, last month or in previous months. Scrolling down, we can view all of the available stocks to select as rewards. These range from Starbucks to Jack Henry, to even Nvidia. By clicking on any of these stocks, a description of the stock appears, along with its current price, dividend yield, and market cap. If you want to select this stock as your current stock reward, you can do so right here. After selecting this stock, any new transactions will be rewarded in Nvidia stock. Let's go back to Starbucks stock. Once we've reached our threshold of $5, we can redeem the rewards by clicking on Redeem $5.80 in Starbucks. Great! Our redemption was successful, and it will appear in our Bits of Stock portfolio within 2 business days. Now, let's take a look at our portfolio. By navigating to the left, we can view our Bits of Stock portfolio. This shows the performance of your portfolio over time, your holdings ranging from Apple to Starbucks that you've earned through rewards, the cash position, and the transfer module that allows you to transfer money in and out of your brokerage account. Down here, we can view all the stocks available for trading, and even search for any stock that you'd like. Let's take a look at our account history located below. This comprehensive overview includes all your orders, dividends, deposits, and withdrawals. For the sake of this demonstration, we'll increase our position in Jack Henry stock. By selecting the stock, you're navigated to the ticker detail page. This page displays the stock's performance over time. You can view your own position in terms of dollar amount and quantity of shares. Additionally, you can review the stock's description, dividend yields, market cap, and headquarters. You can also access the news section of this stock and any trade history if you have traded with this stock before. Now let's move on to the order process. Buying and selling can be done at the top right corner. For this demonstration, we'll focus on buying. We'll input the amount we want to buy, for instance, $5. By inputting 5 and clicking on Buy, this will update the current share price and the estimated quantity of shares you will be able to buy. After reviewing the order summary, we can confirm this order. Once the order is successfully submitted, we can proceed and return to our portfolio to see this reflected. You can see that our Jack Henry purchase is pending. If we return to Jack Henry, you can see that our order has been fulfilled and our position has been updated to $13.38. Lastly, we have our Bits of Stock Documents module. Here, you can review your daily trade confirmations, your monthly statements, and your tax documents when tax season comes around. You can download all of them with one click. We've now concluded our walkthrough of the Stock Rewards checking account by clicking on the OMB logo or the dashboard menu item. You will be redirected to the OMB dashboard. Thank you all for your attention, and go ahead and open your Stock Rewards checking account now.